As a premium support customer, you're probably running tons of different workloads on Google Cloud. Various issues may arise over time, especially if you're innovating and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. When you notice a problem with your system, it could be due to an issue on your side or on the Google side. It's essential to get to the root cause of the issue quickly to minimize the business impact. The Google Cloud Customer Care team is here to help. With premium support, you have a range of options at your disposal, and figuring out the best lever to pull at the right time is key to securing a fast resolution. Here are a few pointers to help you achieve the best support experience every time. You can create cases from Priority 1, P1, to Priority 4, P4. You probably already know that P1 is for urgent, critical issues in production, such as your customer-facing systems being down or unusable. You'll receive global 24/7 support for P1, which follow the sun, and global 24/5 support for P3 and P4 cases. P2 is the appropriate priority for high-impact issues when your service is severely impaired, but has valid workarounds or only experiences service degradation. Priority determination documents can be found on the website. But sometimes after you've opened up a non-P1 case, your situation changes. Maybe your application or workload goes down, or your case becomes very urgent. What do you do? For instance, if your production service suddenly becomes unavailable and there's a critical impact, the best thing to do is to change the priority of your case to P1 on your support case management dashboard. This alerts the support engineer that your situation has changed and they'll respond to you shortly. You might see the Escalate button on your dashboard and think this is a great way to accelerate your case. The Escalate button is not a tool for getting a faster response. In fact, the Escalate button loops in an on-call escalation manager who doesn't have any context about your case. This could slow down the speed at which customer care can resolve your issue. But the Escalate button does serve a purpose. So when is it a useful lever for you to pull? The Escalate button is there for when a support process is not working and you're not getting the help you need. For example, if you haven't received an update within the previously agreed response time, perhaps due to a technical issue or human error. When you press Escalate, an escalation manager is paged and will respond to you within 60 minutes. The escalation manager will help fast-track the resolution process by involving more resources relevant to the root cause of the issue. But remember, the escalation manager is initially unaware of the issue's context. So while bringing them in is a way to fix the process, it will not necessarily help you resolve your case faster. One of the best ways to know if you need to escalate a case is to talk to your technical account manager or TAM. Your TAM knows your cloud operations inside out and can advise on whether you should change the case priority or escalate the case. TAMs can provide additional context and transparency for your support case. Just remember, TAMs only work during business hours in their time zones, unless you have a TAM team that provides 24/7 coverage. Regardless of your TAM's availability, you should always file a support case when an issue occurs. When filing a support case, supply all relevant information about your issue, so the support case owner and any escalation managers can gain a holistic understanding of your case quickly, instead of piecing together information from a variety of sources and communication channels. Filing a support case immediately with all the proper information will help ensure that your case gets reviewed. So, to solve your issue as quickly as possible, remember to include all the relevant information and have the correct case priority. You can use the Escalate button for a support case if the support process isn't working as you expected or you're not getting the help you need. You may also change the case priority should your issue become more severe. If you have any questions, please reach out to your TAM. Google Cloud Customer Care works tirelessly to ensure you have the best support experience possible. We're here from the first day of your journey to help you get the most out of your cloud environment, so you can focus on what matters most.